base itself will be marbled with caramel. And it's really good. So what we need to do now is get our caramel. Wipe off my hands. This caramel, like I said, purchased at the store, candy aisle. This is approximately 10 ounces of caramel. Microwave safe container. And we are going to add 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Make that, let's go with 1/3 cup. Like I said, this isn't an exact science, but I think a 1/2 cup will be too much. If your caramel is too thin and you incorporate it with the cheesecake, it's really going to be it'll be too soupy. So we have our cream, caramel. I'm going to microwave this for a minute, mix it slightly, mix it for another 1/2 minute. Whenever you're microwaving chocolates, caramel, cream, things like that, I usually start with about a minute and then give it less time as you go on. You don't want to burn it. If you overcook this, you have to start over because it'll cake and scorch on the side of the pan. So I'm going to give this a minute and we'll take it from there. So let's give this 1 minute in the microwave on high and see how it looks. Like I said, once it cooks after a minute, mix it with a fork or what have you just to mix it around the cream, the caramel. It probably won't be ready to go after a minute, but you want to take it a little at a time when you're working with chocolates or sweets, especially in the microwave.